guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided let's do something a little different. It's a video I've kind of wanted to do for a little while, but at the same time I'm super kind of embarrassed to do it, so just bear with me. It's really gross. I need to clean up my fridge, and I'm gonna be real. It's been a minute. I'm not even gonna lie. It's just been so crazy here, so let's go ahead and get to it, dive right in it, and we'll get started. Okay guys, so this is the wonderful fridge. Yeah, I got my trash can right here, my bin. So we'll start throwing some things away and keeping some things, and I gotta get some cleaner to wipe it out too. But okay, I'm gonna start on the doors. These are all like really nasty sauces, so I'm just gonna just get rid of them all. Not the Chinese sauce. Let's go over here. Oh. Super old garlic, not even gonna lie. This is an old cheese that just fell. All of the condiments are good. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of these. I'll go ahead and rinse out the jars and put them in the recycle. Lime juice, that's good. This is super, super old. When did it expire? December. Oh, let me turn my alarm off. Hold on. I don't even know how to do it. How do I do it? Door alarm. Oh. Door alarm. Off. Okay. So this Parmesan cheese is still good. Lemon juice is good. Jelly, mayonnaise we just purchased. Okay, so all that's good right there. This cheese, I don't even know what I was thinking. This cheese won't even melt. It's so nasty. Okay. Jelly's good. A half drink protein shake. That's gross. Let me get a washcloth and some spray. Time to get started on like the main part of the fridge, which is pretty gross, not gonna lie. Start at the top shelf. These are our carton of the eggs. We just reused the carton. We get farm fresh eggs. These are good. I just purchased those. We just had sloppy joes, so this is good. It'll be eaten up this weekend. That's a big thing of mayonnaise I used to make ranch with, so that's good. These I'm not gonna throw out. My kids made them this week. Look how cute they are. Super cute cupcakes my kids made. Those are good. So, pork chops from last night. Those are good. And I'm just going to put them in here. Old salad. Ooh. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yep. Chip dip, that's fine. Up there. Ooh. Oh. It's moldy. It's moldy. I don't even know if I want to open this thing, to be honest with y'all. Oh. Oh. This is old rice and chicken, like a stir fry. We had it about 2 weeks ago. It's been a while since I cleaned out my fridge. Cool Whip I just bought, so that's good. Is this sour cream or what is it? Oh, it's peppers and onions. Hey, I already know what's in here. This is like a month-old thing of taco meat. I'm just gonna just chunk it. Just throw it away. Okay. Ooh. Old noodles. Oh! Oh! It's so moldy! Oh my goodness! So nasty. Ugh. Why do I do this to myself? Why? I don't even know the last time I bought this stuff. It's Philadelphia whipped. I'm just gonna let it go. Let it go. Okay, so put that back. Butter's good. I don't even know where to put it. Whoop. Ketchup. So we keep a gallon of cold water in here. I guess the water from the fridge, like the doors, just isn't cold enough, whatever. So we keep that in there. The milk is good. Kool-Aid, I'll go ahead and just make some more. Ooh. Is it bad when your coconut milk has separated? Yeah. And we got some alky and then, ah! Do you think this again? October 2019. I'll go ahead and chunk it just to be on the safe side. February. Oh, we're good. This is best if used by February, so we're good on this. Let's see. Some carrots. I reckon they're good. They look okay. Where's the... November 17th, 2019. Those aren't okay. Oh, I know this one's separated too. I try to use it. I hate to waste it. I just... Grandmother's banana pudding. I don't care who you are. You can never throw this away. It's so good. Well, let me set it over here. Okay, pickles. Water's good. It's just a bottle of water. Slide that in there. Pickles are good. I'm gonna put the pickles over here. Pickles. Applesauce is good. I opened this last night. So, let's push this side out. Okay, so let's start in the drawers. I have this onion I cut open. I think it's okay. It's fine. That looks okay. Old cabbage. This hasn't been opened yet, so that's okay. Bell pepper. I think it's okay. Yeah, it's fine. Oh my gosh, can y'all see that? What is that? Ew, what is that? So gross. That's so nasty. Ugh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Did I break it? No. Okay. Whew. I'm gonna take this one to the sink. Yeah. Okay, so as you just seen, I went ahead and washed the drawer. I have no idea what this green stuff is. It's absolutely vile. How could I live like this? It's so embarrassing. But real life, y'all. Real life. Watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. It does help my channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can see more great videos. And always remember, it's a great day to have a great day. Bye!